Namaste and welcome to the morning session of the synchronized global prayer. It is really wonderful that we can all come together every day in the morning and evening and join together in this amazing effort to connect humanity across borders. The limitless, unlimitable teachings of yoga reaching each and every nook and corner of the globe at this time where yogic self-care is of vital importance. Join me as we invoke the wonderful spirit of the great masters. Tadparam paryaya vidmahe Jnanalingeshwaraya dhimahi Tanno Guruh Prachodayate Om Yogamashrakta Swami Geetananda Giri Guru Maharaj Ki Jai. As part of the synchronized global prayer, we are going to be performing the 27 rounds of Brahmari. Join me as we perform this wonderful practice. Enjoy the beautiful contemplations that arise from within. The harmonious vibration connecting each and every one of our trillions of cells in a unified synchronicity. A symphony orchestra of those trillions of cells vibrating at the same frequency at the same time. What a beautiful moment when each and every cell in our body is one. Essence of yoga manifesting throughout us. All the 5 aspects of our existence, Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnanamaya and Anandamaya, manifesting in abundance. A sense of ease, Sukham, balance, Saukyam, centering in ourselves, Swasthyam, a sense of complete oneness, wholesomeness, Purnam, a sense of integrity, integration, balance, Yogam, and bliss, Anandam, all manifesting in abundance. The music and the dance of the trillions of the cells in joy, harmony, and bliss. A unified state of oneness manifesting from within. Slowly start to move your fingers and rub your palms together, generating a nice warmth. Placing the warmth over your eyes, letting the warmth go into the eyes, the forehead, the head, the whole body. I had to really pull myself out of that beautiful experience. When we perform the Bhramari Pranayama, that humming sound, the Makara Nada, we are bringing together all aspects of who we are. நமக்குள்ள இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த அற்புதமான ஒரு சுகம், அந்த சுகஸ்தானத்துல போய் நம்ம அமையக்கூடிய ஒரு வாய்ப்பு. அற்புதமான சுகம், சௌக்கியம், ஸ்வஸ்தியம், சுகாதாரம், சாந்தம், ஆனந்தம், யோகம், அத்தனை நிலைகளும் நம்முள்ள இருந்து வரக்கூடிய ஒரு வாய்ப்பு கிடைக்கிறது. வெளியிலிருந்து இல்லை. தீதும் நன்றும் பிறர் தரவாரா நோதலும் தனிதலும் அவற்றோர் அண்ண. The great Tamil culture has told us in the Purananur, the ancient 400 verses that are there, they say, Thidum nandvam pirar taravara. The evils and the goods don't come from outside. It is not the bad and the good come from outside. Thidum nandvam pirar taravara, not from others. Nodalum tanidalum. The feeling of suffering, nodalum, pain, and tanidalum, the antidote to it, both are within us. Avatro and within us. Thidum nandvam pirar taravara. Nodalum tanidalum avatro anna. Such a beautiful culture this culture has had. The Dravidian culture of South India, the Tamil culture. Beautiful, high level of thoughts. Thoughts that enable us to go beyond the limited individuality. This limited individuality that is always thinking, what is in it for me? That is the limited individuality. The capacity to think of others. And that is why the great Tamil Moodaati Avvayar, she says, Aridu aridu manidavai pirathal aridu. To be born a human is the rarest of the rare. Such a gift. And in that, she says, the highest is Dhanamum tavam seidal aridu. A human being who is capable of sharing dhanam is to share, to give. and tavam, to be disciplined. I'm so happy to see my dear Lakshmi Narayanan sir live with us. Such an amazing human being, helping so many people. Pondicherry is blessed that even in our elected representatives, the politicians, we have amazing souls. Lakshmi Narayanan sir is there, SP Shivakumar sir is there. Such wonderful humans who are reaching out to share with others, especially at this point. Door to door, each and every person is being helped. That is the Dhanam and Tavam. May you always be blessed, sir. Amazing qualities that come from our Tamil culture. That is said. அரிது அரிது மானிடராய் பிறத்தல் அதனினும் மிக அரிது தானமும் தவம் செய்தல் பெரிது பெரிது அந்த புவனும் பெரிது அதனினும் மிக பெரிது திரு தொண்டர் திருநாமம் கற்றது கைமண்ணளவு கல்லாதது உலகளவு கலங்கரை விளக்கமாய் வாழ்ந்த தமிழ் மூதாட்டி கற்றது கைமண்ணளவு. Amazing teachings in our culture. These are the teachings that can sustain us as a human race. We are facing the challenge, and this is the time where we can show that as a human race, we will overcome. Hum honge kamyab ek din, as the song goes, we shall overcome one day. Not one day, soon, a day to come very soon. Let us express our sankalpa, a positive aspirational statement. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. With all our collective power of peace, we overcome COVID-19. A beautiful sankalpa being made globally. 8 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock in the evening, thanks to the efforts of Indian Yoga Association that is guided by Guruji Padma Shri Nagendra ji as a president, and a beautiful governing council having all the illustrious great masters of India, Swami Ramdev, Sri Ravi Shankar ji, Sadguru Jaggi Vasudev ji, Swami Chidananda Muni ji, Sri O.P. Tiwari ji, Dr. Basava Reddy ji, amazing leaders who are enabling this to manifest globally. Let us now express Mudita Punya. Mudita Punya is such an important quality that Patanjali tells us. We need to be cheerful towards those who are trying to be noble. We need to be cheerful towards those who are trying to do the right thing and fulfill their dharma. And may we be cheerful and cheer on each and every human being at this point of time who is doing their best. Just as the little squirrel helped Lord Rama build the Rama Setu, each one of us can do what we can within our limits. Stretch our limits. Don't strain them, but stretch them. Don't break them, but stretch your limits. Help yourself. Help others who are around you. Help as many as you can. Because this is the time that as a humanity, we need to bond together. We need to come together at another level. That level of spirit that goes beyond all the normal divisions that are there. Cheer on each and every person who's trying to fulfill the dharma at this time. Let us remember that sharing is caring. And as my father Swami Geetananda Giri so often said and taught me as a very young kid, He said, give for the sake of giving. And the more you give, the more the universe will give you back. You don't give so that you will get. You give for the sake of giving. And the universe will make sure you are given what you need. Not what you want, what you need. The more you give, the more comes back. And very consciously in the last 48 years of my life, I have seen this happen. The more you give, the more comes back. Just don't expect it to come back from the person you gave it to. That is a unidimension. Karma is multidimensional. So the more you give, the more comes back. Sharing is caring. So keep sharing. And that doesn't just mean my posts. It means everything good that is there. Mudita Punya. Let us end with the Shanti Mantra. Om Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Om. Thank you for being with me. May we all be safe, happy, healthy, and may we all be blessed. Hari Om Tat Sat.